అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎస్బీఆర్ టాక్స్ ఛానల్ స్వాగతం. ఛానల్ వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అదేవిధంగా ప్లే స్టోర్ నుంచి అతి ముఖ్యమైనటువంటి యాప్ ఎస్బీఆర్ టాక్స్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఎస్బీఆర్ టాక్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్తో పాటు ఎస్బీఆర్ టాక్స్ యాప్ పనిచేస్తుంది. ఎస్బీఆర్ టాక్స్ యాప్ వల్ల ఇప్పటికే వేలాది మంది ప్రయోజనం పొందారు. యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ వద్ద లక్షలాది మంది అవగాహనతో సరైన నిర్ణయాలు తీసుకున్నారు. కాబట్టి మిత్రులారా, ఎస్బీఆర్ టాక్స్ ద్వారా అనేక కార్యక్రమాలు నడుస్తున్నాయి. మీ ప్లే స్టోర్ నుంచి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీకు స్క్రీన్ మీద కనబడే నెంబర్కి ఫోన్ చేస్తే మీకు డౌన్లోడ్లో ఇబ్బంది ఉంటే వాటిని గైడ్ చేస్తారు. దీనిలో వారం వారం జూమ్ మీటింగ్ నడుస్తుంది. ప్రత్యక్షంగా మాట్లాడితే సుమారు గంటన్నర 2 గంటల సేపు నడుస్తుంది. అదేవిధంగా మీకు కాలేజీలు అడ్మిషన్ టెస్ట్లు ఎప్పుడు, వాళ్ళ అడ్రస్లు ఏంటి, ఫోన్ నెంబర్లు ఏంటి, ఫీ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఏంటి, వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చే స్కాలర్షిప్ ఏంటి. కాబట్టి అతి తక్కువ ఫీజుతో కేవలం ఏడాదికి 300 ఎలాంటి స్కూలు కాలేజ్ ఎంపిక చేసుకునే విషయం మీద దాని మీద వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో ఏర్పాటు చేయబడుతుంది. అదేవిధంగా జోసా కౌన్సిలింగ్, జోసా బెడ్సెట్ కౌన్సిలింగ్ 1500, అదేవిధంగా ఎంసెట్ వాటికి జస్ట్ 500. ఇలా అనేక రకాల కార్యక్రమాలు ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ పేమెంట్. కాబట్టి ఈ అవకాశం తప్పనిసరిగా ఉపయోగించుకోండి. ధన్యవాద్. భారత్ మాతాకి జై.
How to prepare for the JEE Mains 2024 as NTA has released the notifications recently.
Okay, so now coming to this question, I think our subject team already came. They have given subject wise
Yes.
important chapters
Previous
and
episodes.
important chapters and what are the strategies to be followed in physics, chemistry, math. So generally speaking, first of all, now I think the first exam will be conducted in the month of January. So now it is, I think, September is almost over.
September.
October, November, December, we have 3.5 months. So in 3.5 months, student cannot learn all things again from the basic level, right? Because it's a 2-year syllabus. So student cannot learn everything again. So first of all, self-analysis is very important. Students should sit with the teachers and understand where I stand right now. How many chapters I have done properly and how many I can cover more. First of all, that is very important. He should not be having, there are two things, confident and overconfidence.
Yeah.
Overconfidence is like, sir, I will get rank 1, but I'm not making efforts. That is wrong. Second thing, sir, I'll study in last 1 month, I'll get rank 1. That is also not going to happen in this exam. Right? So that is overconfidence. Confidence is, sir, I will get a rank and I will work very, very hard. And you just guide me what to do. So that is confidence. So confidence is very, very important. Strong mindset. Because normally what happens in this JEE Mains exam, like that is the first exam, so I'll discuss about that. If a student score 50% marks, that exam is for 300 marks. 100 maths, 100 physics, 100 chemistry. So out of 300, if you score 150 marks, he'll get a good NIT for sure. So they should not, if a student know my capability is not to score 280, 270 to 250, he should not chase that target. He should know, okay sir, I'll try for the next time, because luckily now NTA gives 2 chances, once in January, once in April. So,
Okay.
if they don't have that, because that self-analysis will tell them, let me target 170, 160 marks. And even like, I think our subject experts have spoken about the important chapters, which are very, very important. If they do those chapters, they'll end up getting 50% marks in every subject. So if they plan strategically, like I will do these chapters and I'll not miss a question from these chapters, then automatically that thing is covered. They'll end up getting 150, 160 marks. Scoring 220 marks is difficult in this exam. It needs proper planning, and it is not possible in last 3 months.
Okay.
The student should work hard consistently
Right from the
throughout the year. But according to scoring 140, 150 mark is possible even now, if student is decently working hard. If he is not working at all, then it is impossible, or maybe not impossible, difficult. Nothing is impossible actually, but difficult. But if he is average student working decently hard, have done maybe 70, 60% syllabus, like whatever study material given by the educational institute, or respective institute, if you have done 60%, 50% properly, I think in the last 3 months, if we plan these chapters, I should really need to focus properly, and I am very positive I'll get something. Because here one more, maybe the mindset which students normally have, they end up getting nervous because exam is just 3 months away. So what they will say to parents, I don't want to prepare for January exam, I'll target April exam, because now NT has given this National Testing Agency has given 2 attempts, as I told. So just to escape from the failure and to maybe bring themselves out of that nervousness, they will say, I will target April 1.
I will skip this time.
I will just give it for practice. And okay, that mindset is okay, but you give it for practice with full efforts.
Yes.
That is very important. What happens then? April is far away, let me enjoy now. So that is very difficult. That should not be done. So you target April, you target January, because targeting January is very, very important. Because after January, in the month of March, they will have board exams. They will start having multiple exams, even like state level exams and other universities exams will be there in the month of April, May. So it will be difficult for them to prepare properly for April attempt. January is only January, there is no board exam. Still you have 3 months. If you like work very, very hard, sincerely, and strategically choose the chapters, these chapters I should choose from physics, chemistry, math, and follow that properly, 100% you can end up scoring 150, 160 marks. And once you score those marks in January attempt, so you know I'm getting one NIT, right? So result will be there, I think, out by February 2nd week or 3rd week. So by February 3rd week, you will know I'm getting one good college. So the confidence of the student will maybe rise to a very multiple fold. So then what happens? He'll get better performance, or he'll get very good marks in April attempt also. Okay. At the same time, he will get good marks in other competitions also. And one more advice, like here, coming to this, they should write each and every exam. Many students, what they will do, they will write only mains, they will not write state level. According to me, you should write every exam, even if you don't want to join that institute. It will help you to understand your standing, and maybe we never know what may comes out to be better at the final. When everything is done, you may decide, so you will have the options to decide.
Correct.
But if you write only 1 or 2 exam, then suppose you are not able to make it, then student I will try 1 more year. But that thought should not come till you write your last exam. It is after the exams. Before that, you should give your best in each and every exam. So that will be my advice to the student. Don't get panic. Scoring 150, 160 marks is not a difficult at all in JEE Mains January attempt. Please choose the right topic, right chapter. If required, I can give you a PDF. Maybe sir, you can attach that with the program. We have given last 5 years JEE Mains, like what chapter contain how much weightage. That complete everything is made properly. So if they read it, it will take maybe hardly 30 to 40 minutes to read for all 3 subjects, and they choose the chapters like that, they can score good marks.
Great.
Yeah.
Great.